What is up, guys? Bobadi Adventures here. How you guys doing today? I just wanted to tell you I lost it. ¿Qué pasa, mi gente? Les saluda Bobadi Adventures. Aquí estamos relax. I lost it. Fudge and chips. I lost it. No, it can't be. I can't believe I lost it. I lost it. How? Everything was going great until I lost everything that I was recording. So, what is it that I lost? Well, I was taking a shoot. I was doing a shoot for a little idea as a commercial. Well, for me and my baby, my car. But I was using my phone, which is the Motorola G Style. Freaking great. 4K, 43 megapixels on pictures, and I can use it. I can shoot raw pictures. So this is where I'm recording right now, and wait, am I recording? Yes, I am recording. So I was shooting. I started shooting with the phone. My friend started shooting it, and I was like, well, I'm gonna get some badass ideas, shots of with the drone I had, and everything was going great. Everything was going great. I was putting it to following me while I was driving, but the first two times it didn't, and then the third time it did. It was following great. But then I noticed like bushes that were coming up, so I pull it higher. I pull it up higher, and I don't know what happened. As soon as I pulled it up higher, I lost signal, and I didn't see nothing else. I lost signal on the phone for the view, and I don't know. I stopped on the road, and I'm gonna show you like this little clip I did got, because it got downloaded to my phone. That was before I lost it, and I don't know, but it's all right. I can get another one soon, better one, obviously. So here's the little clip I got, the little shoot with the drone. Welcome back. Yeah, so I was in South Mountain. I don't know what happened. All I know is like I lost signal with the phone on the camera, and I don't know what happened. I don't know where it landed. I don't know if it got crashed or just landed because it was low on battery. I really don't know what happened. So me and my friend, we were looking for it like all over the desert, where I thought they was like around. So I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. But like I said, it's alright. I can get another one. So, but I'm just worried. I'm more worried about the shoot because it was looking good with the sunset, nice and high, following the car, and fudge. I don't know. What do you think? What do you say? I fucked up, huh? She's halfway. So me and her, we were looking for the drone, and we didn't find it. Nothing. We didn't see no blinking on the lights. I don't know. I don't know what happened. I mean, we did search in a big range where we thought it was, could it be? But I don't know. Oh well. But thank you guys for watching this video. Hit like, smash it if you want to, subscribe, share with your friends, and yeah, and see you in the next video, which I'm gonna use what I have for the little, we can call it commercial, or I don't know, a short film, So stay tuned and peace. Remember, guys, keep dreaming. Dreams come true. So till next time.